Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Phaneendra. In this video, we are going to discuss about EAMCET previous questions. We are discussing the first question here. If the poles of the line x minus y equal to 0 with respect to the circles x square plus y square minus 2gix plus ci square equal to 0 where I equal to 1, 2, 3. Or alpha I and beta I, then sigma I equal to 1 to 3 alpha I plus beta I divided by gi equal to. By seeing it is a special question, but it's very simple question in the different way is given. Poles of the line with respect to these circles. So polar equation of this circle at this point you have to calculate. See here. This is the circle equation, no? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2gix plus ci square equal to 0. So polar equation, this is x1, y1 dear students, the given point. So the polar of P, this is the point P I am assuming, with respect to S is equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. So for this circle S1, x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1, but here minus is there, no? In place of g, what value is there? Gi. So minus gi into x plus x1 plus f is not there, means limit constant ci square you have to write. But at what point they are asking? X1, y1 values are alpha I, beta I. Substitute. So x into alpha I plus y into beta I minus gi into x plus alpha I, x1 value, plus ci square is equal to 0. So simplify x alpha I plus y beta I minus x gi minus gi alpha I plus ci square equal to 0. From these two, x take common. So x into alpha I minus gi. Next, plus y into beta I. The rest of the terms we can treat as constants. So now, plus ci square minus gi alpha I. Equation number 1. This equation is polar equation. It is compared with x minus y. So x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. This is also polar equation. The two lines are representing same. So 1 and 2 represent same. So their x coefficients are in proportional, y coefficients are in proportional, constants also proportional. So here x coefficient is what? Alpha I minus gi divided by here x coefficient is 1, which is equal to here in this y coefficient is beta I by y coefficient here it is minus 1 is equal to here constant ci square minus gi alpha I by 0. If you equate these two, what will come? Alpha I minus gi is equal to minus beta I by minus 1 means minus beta I only, no? Minus beta I we can take this side, gi we can take this side. So alpha I minus beta I am taking this side plus beta I is equal to gi. So alpha I plus beta I value we got it. Alpha I plus beta I only, no? For the remaining we did not require. Now come to the question. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 3, alpha I plus beta I divided by gi is equal to, in place of alpha I plus beta I, replace with gi. So sigma or summation I equal to 1 to 3, zi divided by gi. So sigma I is equal to 1 to 3, 1. So I is equal to 1 to 3 means 3 times you have to write summation. So 3 times also the value is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So which is 3 is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, if the circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 13 minus a square equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 17 equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points. So this is related to relative position of two circles, dear students, which is very important in the last exercise of IPE textbook. We have questions based on this. So prepare thoroughly, it will help in a EAMCET as well as IB. From these observations we are keeping on, we are taking videos now, these circles we are doing, dear students. We observe that minimum 5 questions they are asking in TS or AP EAMCET examination from the circle. So we analyze that 5 questions surely it will come in from the circle topic. So first given circles, directly I am writing C1 equal to circle center 2 comma minus 3, R1 root over 4 plus 9 minus 13 minus of minus a square plus a square. So these two will be cancelled, root a square is plus or minus a, but radius is always positive a. So C2 center of second circle 5 comma 1 sorry, R2 equal to square root of 25 plus 1 minus 17, 26 minus 17. So how it will be? So 9. So 9 means what? 3. We got it. When the circles intersect in two distinct points, that means the circles will be like this, dear students. Whenever the circles intersecting in two distinct points A and B, the relative position of two circles will be R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. Keep in mind all of you, when the two circles, relative position of two circles based on this is the condition, dear students. So C1 C2 also we need to calculate. C1 C2 equal to root over 2 minus 5 whole square 9 minus 3 minus 1 16, so 5. R1 minus R2 A minus 3 is less than C1 C2 5 is less than R1 plus R2 plus R2. So what is R1 plus R2? A plus 3 will come. Okay, you take these two first. A minus 3 is less than 5. So A is less than 8 will come, dear students. A is less than 8. A is less than 8 here it will be. And if you take these two, 5 is less than A plus 3. 3 we can take this. 2 is less than A. 2 is less than A is here also. So from these two what we conclude? 2 is less than A is less than 8. So third option. But in the examination they are giving A and C options, dear students. Even that also we will consider. If you find out the radius in this way, g square plus f square minus c minus 13 plus a square, root a square means generally root plus or minus will come. That time if you consider it is minus a, so based on that we will change it. How it will change? Radius is always positive only. This answer is right. Third option. But based on the circles, relative circles which are belongs to quadrant, that time answer will be changed. It will come first option. It's not required now. It is enough. We'll move on to the another question. If that case will come, I will explain in the other videos. The next question. If a circle of radius r touches the positive coordinate axis and also the circle x square plus y square minus 12x minus 10y plus 52 equal to 0 externally, then the distance between the centers of two circles is. So options are provided. The figure will come there, dear students, in that way. So first coordinate axis you draw. But also consider positive coordinate axis only. Why? Because they mentioned here positive coordinate axis. So first the circle. This is the circle which touches the positive coordinate axis. Okay. Whose radius is r, they mentioned. So from here to here, radius is r. Whenever r is radius, both x and y coordinates are equal, this circle center C1 is equal to r comma r only, dear students. Obviously. Another circle touches externally. So this is the circle, another circle. It touches externally. What is this circle center? Second circle center is C2. 6, 5. From here to here it is radius r. From here to here, second circle radius r2 equal to root over 36 plus 25 minus 52. 61 minus 52. 61, 36 was 61 minus 52 means 9, no? So 9 means 3. This is 3 units, dear students. R value is R1 value is R and R2 value is 3. R1 is equal to R. R2 value is 3. When the circle touch each other externally, whenever circles touch each other externally, C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. This is one of the relative positions, dear students. C1, C2, distance between them. Square root of 6 r minus 6 whole square plus r minus 5 whole square, C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, R plus 3. Squaring on both sides. So a minus b whole square expansion, r square plus 36 minus 12r, r square plus 25 minus 10r minus r minus 3 equal to 0. So 2r square. Next minus 12r minus 2 minus 10r minus r. So minus this is 2 into 12r only, correct? Here minus 10r only. How much minus? Minus 10, 12 minus, squaring on both sides, no, very sorry. Minus r plus 3 whole square expansion, dear students. R plus 3 we are taking this side and squaring on both sides, no, whole square and we are taking this side. So minus 22r, remaining is 61, 36 plus 25. I got it now. Minus r square plus 9 plus 6r. So now 2r square minus 22r plus 61 minus r square minus 9 minus 6r. So 2r square minus r square is r square minus 22r minus 6r minus 28r. 61 minus 9. So 61 minus 9, 52. And also 52. 52 factors we need to get in terms of 28. So 52 means 28 into 2, no? Sorry, 52, 26 into 2. So we can write 28, 26r minus 2r. R square minus 26r minus 2r plus 52. Factorization, r a times of r minus 26 minus 2 times of r minus 26. So r minus 2 into r minus 26. So r is equal to 2 and r is equal to 26. If r equal to 2, distance between them they are asking. Distance between the centers. Suppose case 1, r is equal to 2 I am taking. So C1 value will become what? R comma r, it will become 2 comma 2. C2 is already there, 6 comma 5. So find out distance between them. 6 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So root of 6 minus 2 4 square means 16 plus 5 minus 2 3 square. So 5 is there in the option. We will need to check another case also. Generally we don't need, but we will. If r is equal to 26, what happens? So C2 will become, C1 will becomes 26 comma 26. C2 is 6 comma 5. So C1 C2 equal to root over 26 minus 6 whole square, 20 square, 400. 26 minus 5, 21 whole square, 21 whole square. So it is 400 plus 441, 21, so 441. So 400 plus 441. So 841. It is more than, no answer is there here. So what is the right answer? Distance between them is 5 units when r is equal to 2. It is there in the second option, students. We will move on to the next question. So for another question, root 844 not required. Why? Because already we got it answered. So I hope you understand. The next question. If the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus k equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0 touch each other externally, then the point of contact of two circles is, these are the options. See here, first touch each other externally is mentioned. So C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. That we know that. So we need to calculate center of first circle, 1 comma 1. Center of second circle, minus 2 comma minus 3. Distance between them calculate, root over 9 plus 16, that is equal to 5. Radius of first circle R1 equal to root over 1 plus 1 minus k, that is equal to root 2 minus k. R2, radius of second circle, 4 plus 9 minus 4, that is equal to root 9, that is equal to 3. So C1, C2 value 5, R1 plus R2, root 2 minus k plus 3. The 3 we can take this side, 5 minus 3 is 2 equal to root 2 minus k. Squaring on both sides, 4 is equal to 2 minus k, that implies minus k I am taking this side, k equal to 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2, we got it. So this equation will become minus 2. So what they are asking is, whenever k is minus 2, root of 2 minus of minus 2, that is equal to root 4, that is equal to 2. R1 value is 2. We got it, R1 value as 2. Circles touch each other externally, so the figure will come like this, dear students. This is the circle. At a time if you draw, it will come easily, correctly it will come. See, this is the way. So, circle 1, circle 2 touch each other externally. Whenever circle touch each other externally, this is called point of contact. The point P is in between, not midpoint. In between, so internal center of similitude, ICS. R1x2 plus R2x1 by R1 plus R2. R1y2 plus R2y1 by R1 plus R2. For IP reference, go to the playlist, dear students. All the question answers are there with us. R1 value is 2. What is x2, x1? This is circle center 1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 value is minus 2. Plus R2 value is 3. X1 value is 1. By R1 plus R2, 2 plus 3, 5. Next R1, 2, y2, minus 3. R2 value 3, y1 value is 1 by 5. So minus 4 plus 3, minus 1 by 5. Minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 by 5. So option minus 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5, which is there in the first option, dear students. This is called the point of contact. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. The center of the circle passing through the point of intersection of circles, these two circles, dear students. So point of intersection of circles means this one. First circle, S1 or S1 only take it. This is S2. Passing through point of intersection of circles and cutting the another circle which cuts orthogonally the circle. S3 equal to 0. You remember that first these circles, the expansion, we need to do that. So what happens? The first circle, x square plus 9 plus 6x, y square plus 4 plus 4y minus 25 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 25. So minus 12 equal to 0. This is S1 equal to 0, dear students. Next S2 I am writing. First x2 expand, this second one. That is also x square plus y square. Just there minus 4x na. Minus 6y. Anyway 9 no 4 will come. 13. We can take this side minus 12 only. This is S2. Third circle. So x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y, 5 minus 16 is minus 11, dear students. This is S3. So they are asking to find passing through point of intersection of these two and cuts orthogonally another circle. This circle they are asking. And cuts orthogonally this circle. You remember whenever the cuts orthogonally, the radical axis of these two circles, the radical axis of these two circles, the radical axis of these two circles, radical axis of these circles, find out and solve it, you will get point. That only required center of the circle. See here, I am calculating here, S1 minus S2, radical axis of 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means first circle and second circle. Directly I am subtracting 6x minus 4x. These two will be cancelled anyway. S1 minus S2 equal to 0. Just I am doing. 6x minus 4x means 10x. 4y minus of minus plus 10y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 0, dear students. Next, solving these two. Now minus 4x minus 2x, S2 minus S3. If it does not work out, we will go for another method. Minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x minus 6y plus 4y. So minus 2y. Next minus 12 plus 11. So minus 1 equal to 0. So all multiplying by minus, it will become 6x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Solving these equations. Equation 1, equation 2, you take this equation multiplying by 2, dear students. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. And here 6x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Just subtracting, sign changes. These two will be cancelled. 6x minus 2x is 4x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, nowhere it is. So this procedure we cannot get it. So point of intersection of two circles means you will go to another method. Instead of this, we will move it another method. Yeah, the radical axis method, it does not work out. No? So what we will do is, first these two circles, center of circle passing through these two circles. First two circles point of intersection is this two only. No? The dotted one is the required circle. So this circle is S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. Like this you can take, dear students. It does not work out. Generally, I want to make easy sum, but it is not coming in that way. So we need to go this. This circle is S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. These two circles. So x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 12 plus lambda into second circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So x square take common, 1 plus lambda into x square. Similarly 1 plus lambda into y square. Next from these two x take out common. So 6 minus 4 lambda. Next y take common, 4 minus 6 lambda. Next minus take common, minus 12 take common, dear students. Minus 12 into 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. So dividing by 1 plus lambda, it will become x square plus y square plus x into 6 minus 4 lambda by 1 minus lambda, 1 plus lambda. So y into 4 minus 6 lambda by 1 plus lambda minus 12 into 1 plus lambda by 1 plus lambda. So anyway, this will be cancelled. This is S equal to 0 you take, dear students. Next, given circle. Third circle is what? This one, you know. S3. S and S3 are orthogonal. S and S3 are orthogonal. Orthogonal means 2 to G dash. So 2 into, in this G value is 1. G dash value in this half. So G dash value 2 take common and by 2 means 2 times of 3 minus 2 lambda by 1 by 2. So it will become 3 minus 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda. 2g dash plus 2f. F value is minus 2. F dash. Here also 2 take common is 2 minus 3 lambda by 1 plus lambda. 2g dash is equal to c plus c dash. Here c is minus 11, here minus 12. Now simplification. So 1 plus lambda we can take this side. So 6 minus 4 lambda, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12 lambda is equal to minus 23 lambda. So 8 minus here, 8 minus 6 is minus 2, 12 minus 4 is plus 8 lambda. These values I am taking this side, plus 23 lambda equal to 0. So 23 plus 8, 31 lambda. 23 minus 2 means what? Plus 21. So lambda equal to minus 21 by 31. So center of this circle they are asking. This is center. So center of this circle means we need to substitute the value and get it. Once again I will check, dear students. Yeah, I verified. Because it will take time now. The video will pass on if I take. So I already verified here. It is correct. So center of this circle, S circle is the center of circle. So S plus lambda equal to 0 now. In this center is what? Minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. Minus x coefficient by 2. So 2 to get cancelled means here minus this value will be interchange here. So 2 lambda minus 3 by lambda plus 1 will come. Here also same thing, 3 lambda minus 2 by lambda plus 1. In place of lambda substitute minus 21 by 31. So 21 by 31 means 2 into 21. 2 into minus 21 by 31 minus 3 by minus 21 by 31 plus 1. So 3 times of minus 21 by 31 minus 2 by minus 21 by 31 plus 1. So anyway 21 is minus 42 minus 93 by, here 31 cancel, so 10 will be there. 31 cancel here students. Here also minus 63 minus 63, am I right? 3 times of 21, 2 times of 31 by, here 31 cancel, 31 minus 10 will come. So 42, 31, 135 minus 135 divided by 10 minus 126 by 10. So 2 table. Here 5 table. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 4 5 2s are. Next 2 table. So here 3 times of lambda, 3 lambda minus 2 by lambda plus 1 now. So 3 times of minus 21 by 3 minus 63, that's okay, 2, here 62 more, sorry 62. So 62 means 125 will come. So 5 table again, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, so 135 means 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are, very sorry. So minus 27 by 2 minus 25 by 2. Slowly you can do it students. We have the first option. In the previous method if you go we are not getting, but here we got it. Ultimately we will get, if you have minimum conceptually, if you go it will come. That means that is the reason in IP if you are perfect, everything you are able to do your students. We'll move on to the next one. Yeah, the next question. If x square plus y square minus a square plus lambda into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0 is the smallest circle through the point of intersection of these two circle and line. You remember, dear students, here whenever it is in this form s plus lambda l equal to 0. So how it comes? Smallest circle, whenever they mentioned here, this line is the diameter of the circle. So s plus lambda l equal to 0, no, this circle I am writing x square plus y square. So from that x lambda cos alpha, next y lambda sin alpha minus lambda p minus a square equal to 0. Center is what? Center C equal minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2 minus lambda cos alpha by 2 minus lambda sin alpha by 2. This center lies on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p or minus p equal to 0. Whenever it is smallest circle, this will become a diameter of the circle. So in place of x and y substitute this value. So what happens, dear students? So lambda value will come. In place of x this value minus lambda cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha by 2 minus lambda sin square alpha by 2 equal to p. So minus lambda by 2, if we take out common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to p. This value is 1 now. So minus lambda by 2 equal to p. That implies minus lambda equal to 2p. Lambda equal to minus 2p. So for what value of lambda is minus 2p is? This is the textbook example, dear students. So very important. Before x, this is the second chapter, system of circles. In that related question it is. Last example, once you go through this, is important one. Lambda equal minus 2c. It lies on this. Why? Because the diameter of this circle. Diameter of the circle. So like this it will come, dear students. Some students are requesting to draw the figure. This is the line and the circle. Whenever it is smallest circle through the, it means here this is the smallest circle through the point of intersection of these. For this circle, this is the diameter, dear students. Diameter. Sorry. So that's why this circle center is lying on this. Now come to another question. If PA and PB are the tangents drawn through the point P of 1, 1. So P is here 1, 1. These are the tangents to the circle whose center is, the circle equation is x square plus y square plus gx plus gy minus 2 equal to 0. Center is what? Minus g by 2 minus f by g by 2. So center is from here to here minus g by 2 minus g by 2. PA and PB are the tangents. PA, PB. From here to here it is tangent, from here to here. Length of tangent only know S11. This one also S11. This is the radius, this is the radius. Radius of the circle calculate root over g square by 4 plus g square by 4. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. So root of 2g square by 4 plus 2. So root over 4 LCM 2g square by 2g square plus 8. So 2 take common and cancel. So what will come? G square plus 4 by 2 will come. This is radius value. Radius means according to this AC. Center of the circle, no? AC. S11 also calculate. S11 equal to length of tangent root over in place of x1, y1, 1, 1 substitute. So 1 square plus g plus g minus 2. So 2z, root 2z. If you want to calculate area of quadrilateral, the area of quadrilateral is equal to 2 times of area of triangle PAC. So 2 times of half into base. Base is what? AC, AP into height, AC. 2 to get cancelled, students. AP means what? AP is length of tangent root S11 into AC. AC means what? R. So root S11 is root 2z. R value is root g square plus 4 by 2. So which is equal to root A to root B. Root of, multiply these two. 2z into g square plus 4 divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Root of g into g square g cube plus 4g. So the area is g cube plus 4g. It is there in the second option, students. The third option. I hope you understand that. The diagram is very much required to solve this. Area of quadrilateral is equal to here. This is the quadrilateral figure. So twice of the area of triangle we will get it, students. We'll move on to the next one. Yeah, the next question. The point or points of intersection of the common tangents to the circles. Here, whenever two circles are given, they are asking to find point of intersection of the tangents. Means two possibilities will come here, students. Suppose the circles are like this now. These are the common tangents. So which are intersecting. Suppose this point is external center of similitude. When the circle situation is like this. When the circle situation is like this, these are the transverse common tangents. If we do that, this is internal center of similitude, ICS, ECS. This is ECS, ICS. So we need to calculate first circle center is what? C1 equal to 4, 3. R1 equal to root of 16 plus 9 minus 21. So root 4 means 2. C2 second circle center 0, 1. R2 root over 0 plus 1 plus 15 root 16. So 4. So C1, C2 calculate root over 4 minus 16 plus 4. So root 20. Root 20 is obviously less than C1 plus C2, R1 plus R2 now. So root 20 is less than 2 plus 4, 6. Root 20 means it is a 4 point something. Difference is not correct. So C1, C2 is less than R1 plus R2. So both are intersecting, dear students. So that means the circles will be like this. Even like this situation also, direct comment, external center of similitude will come. According to this category, this situation will arise. So ECS only we can calculate. ECS means what? First circle center is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, r1, r2 values we have. R1 is to R2 means we can write 2 is to 4, that is 1 is to 2, dear students. We can simplify here. So ECS means R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2. R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. So R1 value according to this is 1. Here you can just see this difference. R1 value 2, R2 value 4. 2 is to 4 you can do that, 1 is to 2. So 1 is to x2 value. x2 value is 0. Minus R2 value. R2 is what? 4. Into x1. x1 value is 4. By R1 minus R2. 2 minus 1 minus 2. So R2 value you cannot write 4 now, it's 2. This one I'm taking. Otherwise 2 is to 4 also we can take. R1 minus R2 means minus 1. 1 minus 2. R1 value 1. Y2 value 1. Minus R2 value is 2. Y1 value is 3. By minus 1. So 0 minus 6. Minus 8 sorry. By minus 1. 1 minus 6 by minus 1. So 8 comma 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 by minus 1 is 5. So absolutely 8 comma 5 is the right answer. So we'll move on to the next question, dear students. This is a good question. If L1 and L2 are the common tangents to the circles, so these are the circles. So this is L1 equal to 0. This is L2 equal to 0, dear students. L1 equal to 0 touches these points A and B. A value 1, 1. B value 0, 1. Just rough figure. Again, the two circle touches the line at C. 3 by 5, 4 by 5. And here D point 1 by minus 1 by 5, 7 by 5. Whenever the question is asking in that way, they are asking to find the equation of radical axis of two circles. Whenever the circle position is like this, the radical axis is this one. This radical axis is passing through midpoint of the line segment of AB and CD. Midpoint of AB calculate. 1 plus 0 by 2, so 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 means 1. So midpoint of these two, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 by 2. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 by 2 means 1 by 5 only. No? Next, 7 by 5 plus 4 by 5, 11 by 5 by 2, 11 by 10. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and solve that equation. 2 point form the straight line. This is called the radical axis. The radical axis, dear students. So y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. 2 point form the straight line. So y minus y1 value is 1. y2 minus y1, 11 minus 10, 11 by 10 minus y1 value is 1. By x2 minus x1, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. X minus x1 value is 1 by 2. So y minus 1 equal to here 10 if you take LCM, 11 minus 10 divided by 10 whole divided by 10 LCM. 5 2s are 2 minus 5 into x minus 1 by 2. Here 10 get cancelled. So we'll continue with this. Y minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 10 is 1 by 2 minus 5 is minus 3 into x minus 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, minus 3y plus 3 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. These values we can take this side, x plus 3y minus 1 by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 6y minus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus 6y is equal to 7. I hope you understand, students. This is the way. You remember, whenever two circles which are touching by the two lines at the different points, that means point of contacts, if they are asking to find the equation of radical axis, their midpoints of AB, midpoints of CD, you can calculate. Okay, we'll move on to the last question in this session. The next question, the center of smallest circle which cuts the circle orthogonally. So the required circle, we can take that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This circle and this circle cuts orthogonally. So equation 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 orthogonal. Orthogonal means you know that condition, dear students. 2z into g dash from the second equation I am taking, minus 1 plus 2f into f dash minus 2 equal to c minus 4. So minus 2z minus 4f equal to c minus 4, equation number 4. Next, equation 1 and equation 3 orthogonal. So 2z into minus 5 plus 2f into 6 c plus 52. So minus 10z plus 12f equal to c plus 52. Equation number 5. So eliminating these two values, first c is going to eliminate, solving 4 and 5. So minus 2z minus 4f c minus 4. Next minus 10g plus 12f equal to c plus 52. Here plus, here minus, here minus, here minus. These two will be cancelled. 8g, 10z minus 2z, minus 16f, minus 52 is minus 48. Sorry, here also minus now. Minus 56 will be. So 8 table. G minus 2f minus 7. So we got it, this equation. So option verification you do, dear students. G comma f minus z minus f. If you take, so g value minus 1, f value minus 2. Substitute in this, minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. So this option is not suitable. If you take this one, minus z minus f, so g equal to 3, f equal to minus 2. So z value 3, f value minus 2. If you take 7 will come. This also not acceptable. Minus z minus f, center. So g value minus 3, f value 2. So g value minus 3, f value 2 means minus 4. So it is going to accept it. So 3, 4 if you take it, 3, g value, this is minus g minus f. So g value minus 3, f value minus 4. Minus 3 plus 8, it won't be accepted. So the required smallest circle center is 3 comma minus 2. It satisfies by 3 comma minus 2. So the smallest circle center is 3 comma minus 2. I hope you understand, students. Those who are watching first time this channel, please like and subscribe, and bell icon also you can press, dear students, to get the notifications. Daily EAMCET and IPE different videos I will give in this channel. Those who are watching first time, you can subscribe and watch the remaining and different videos. If you want IPE, the videos are very available. EAMCET, that video is also available. And one more important thing, I'm doing regularly because of Karimnagar students, Ranjit Reddy and their friends. I hope you are seeing in that comment list that students, those who are responding, the student request I'm doing. So I hope it will help a lot for them. So for the students' benefit, only I'm doing. I'm not getting still. This is my channel still it is not monetized. So because of this situation, we may get. So that is the reason I'm not expecting anything from the students, but it will be help to the students community. So please do share to the needy people. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Maths with Phanindra.